Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself, Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today we are going to continue the chapter of class 10, Karnataka SSLC Board History, Unit number 1, Advent of Europeans to India. Today we are going to continue this chapter. Let's have the recap, the things what we have studied earlier in the last session. In the previous class, we have discussed about the relationship between India and Europe. How was the trade relationship was going on between India and Europe? What are the products India and Europe? So, what are the products we are giving for Europe and we are taking from Europe? That is nothing but import and export. What are the products we are exporting for Europe? And what were the products we were importing from Europe? हम इंडिया से यूरोप को क्या प्रोडक्ट सेल करते थे जिससे यूरोप के अंदर बहुत डिमांड था. Got it? In Europe there was a very great demand for Indian products. Which are those? And some products we are taking from Europe also. We have discussed, right? And also this trading is been done in the place that is called as Constantinople. That's nothing but Constantinople was the place where this trading was going on. Are you getting, children? That is the thing we have discussed in the previous class. And who have gained the monopoly to do the trade in the Asian countries, and who had got the monopoly to trade in European countries. Okay, who had got the monopoly to do the trade in Europe, who had got the monopoly to do the trade in Asian countries. We have discussed about these things in the previous class, right? Yes, children. Dear students, I can tell you one thing. So please don't watch in between videos so that you will not get a grip to understand the subject. So always you have to watch from part 1. From day 1 you have to watch the videos so that it will be easy for you to understand the concepts in crystal clear. Children, today we are going to discuss the very important topic, that is about fall of Constantinople. Today we are discussing the concept called as fall of Constantinople. Now, Constantinople was a very beautiful place. It is also called as the gateway of European trade, right? It is also called as international trading center. Correct, no, children? It is a gateway to do the trade, that is gateway of European trade. Got it? Now, how this Constantinople has fallen down? See, children, one day what happened? There was very good relationship was going between India and Europe, and in the year 1453, remember this year? In the year 1453, the person who is called as Ottoman Turks. Who is that? Ottoman Turks. Please, you have to jot down these key points in your notebook. Okay, these are the key points. Simply don't watch the video, keep the pen and paper with you and write down these points, whatever I am suggesting here. Because the final day, the notes what you are beheading, that will not be helpful, but the points what you are taking as a running notes, that will be very much helpful. Is this clear? Very good. In the year 1453, the person called as Ottoman Turks, he captured Constantinople. What he did? He captured Constantinople. The trading center he captured. Are you getting my point? Ottoman Turks, what he did? He captured the place called as Constantinople. Once he has captured this Constantinople, then what happened? The trade routes which was connecting between Constantinople came under the control of Turks. The complete Constantinople, the trade routes means between Europe and India. So between Europe and India, this was the place Constantinople was lying. Are you getting my point, children? So this Constantinople, this routes, this complete routes which was connecting to Constantinople, this complete routes is been captured by the person Ottoman Turks. Is this clear? ये जो भी यूरोप और इंडिया को कनेक्ट हो रहा था ना कि बेटा कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल, इस जगह को जो भी रास्ता जा रहा है इस रास्ते से जो भी हम गुजर रहे हैं ये पूरी जगह किसके अंडर में आ गई? ऑटोमन टर्क्स के हाथ में आ गई. ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಜಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಅಟೋಮನ್ ಟರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್? ಸಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್, then Ottoman Turks, what he did, he started collecting more tax from the peoples who are doing the business in this route. In this complete route, the peoples who are doing the business, he started collecting more tax from them. He started collecting more tax. He was levying more tax, the goods which was passing through these routes, so that the people who was doing the business in between this route, they were not at all profitable. They are not at all profitable. They are not getting profit at all, because much amount of their investment is going under tax. Then how they can earn the profit? Are you getting my point? So what happened? जो भी लोग इस रास्ते से गुजर रहे थे उनके ऊपर क्या किया इसने? ज्यादा टैक्स कलेक्ट करना शुरू किया, जिसकी वजह से सब लोगों को नुकसान होना ज्यादा हो चुका था. Are you getting my point? So they were collecting more tax, so they are not profitable. That is, they became unprofitable. Then what happens? All peoples, what happened? Later on, all peoples were thinking how to do the business, because if any person is collecting more tax, then how can they do the business? Are you getting my point? Okay, at least the business is going well. Okay, out of 100 rupees investment, I am getting 500 rupees profit. Let him eat 100 rupees, at least 400 I will get. Okay, let it be. I am getting more profit, in that let me to pay 100. But when he is getting profit of 500 rupees, in that if they say that to give him 400 rupees as a tax, how can he do the business? Is it possible to do the business? Not at all. जब ये कमा रहा है 500 रुपया, इसके अंदर 400 रुपया उसको टैक्स पे करना है, बस बचे कितने हैं? 100 रुपया. अब ये 100 रुपया उसका खर्च, खाने पीने का खर्चा, आने जाने का खर्चा. Are you getting my point? According to his food, traveling expenses, is it convenient to him? No. So that was the reason the people started thinking a lot how to do the business now. Some people shut down their factories. Some people shut down that business itself. Understood? During that time, so many people left the business to do in that route at all, because they are not getting profit. Then why they have to do the business? But still some people keeping as an hope, they were doing the business. Then later on what happened? Meanwhile, the Spain and Portugal came front. Who came front? Spain and Portugal. Are you getting, children? These two peoples came in front, Spain and Portugal. Then what they did? They break the monopoly of Italian traders. What they did? They break the monopoly over Italian traders. Did you got it? Understood? They break the monopoly over Italian traders. They started encouraging more number of sailors to find the new sea route to India. This Spain and Portugal, what they did, you know? See, it's a small concept, nothing to worry. In Europe, who are doing the business? Italian merchants, right? Because complete trading was under them. Correct, no? Italian merchants had gained the monopoly over the European countries. Correct? ये पूरा किसके हाथ में था? ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस किसके हाथ में था? इटालियन मर्चेंट्स के हाथ में था. ये स्पेन और पोर्चुगल उसको देख लिए. They saw this. Wow, how much profit they are getting. They are getting this product from India for 10 rupees. Here they are coming and selling for 50 rupees. So much business they are doing. Why can't we also do that? Why can't we also do that? Are you getting my point? They were also doing the business, but later on they break their friendship with Italian traders. Who? Spain and Portugal was also doing the business with Italian traders as a friends, as a partners. They were doing. Later on, what happened? These people break the monopoly with Italian merchants. Then they said their sailors. Means sailor means what? The person who drive the ship, big ships, sailors. He made the sailors, understood, he attempted to break the monopoly of Italian traders. Then they started encouraging sailors to find the new sea route to India. To find the new sea route to India. Are you getting, children? Who encouraged the sailors to invent new sea route to India? Spain and Portugal. Very good answer, children. Spain and Portugal attempted, means they tried. They tried. Understood? Because already Ottoman Turks has captured that place and is laying more tax. Understood? But still the product has to come to Europe. But how? There was a question. To break that question, these people did this attempt to find the new sea route to India. Then what happens? When the sailors started finding the new sea route to India, they introduced still more number of things. They invented many things like the invention of compass, gunpowder. The invention of compass, gunpowder provided further impetus to this venture. Understood, children? When they started finding this new sea route to India, they also found compass, gunpowder, and even astrolabes also. Astrolabes. Are you getting, children? So these things, these equipments will be very helpful when the sailors are moving from one place to another place. Compass is required, gunpowder is also required, and even astrolabes is also required to them. Are you getting my point, children? Did you understood? Then later on, in the year 1498, which year, children? In the year 1498. In the year 1498, the person whose name is Vasco da Gama. Who is he? Vasco da Gama. Who is he? He is a Portuguese sailor. Who is he? He is a Portuguese sailor. Understood? In the year 1498, Vasco da Gama, he is a Portuguese sailor. He left Lisbon. Which place he left? Lisbon. And then he reached the place called as Kappadu. Where did he reach the place? Kappadu. Where is Kappadu? It is there in Calicut. Now we say as Calcutta, but it is Calicut. Okay. Where is Calicut? It is there in east coast of India. East coast of India. In 1498, third series was successful to discover a new sea route to India. Understood? Is this clear? Very good. Children, I give you one logic to remember this. See, children, Portuguese sailor. Who is the Portuguese sailor? Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama. Correct, no, children? देखो बेटा, अब इसने क्या किया? What he did? इन्हें लिस्बॉन करने की चा पीने को बैठा था बेटा. Have you seen Lisbon? Yes, there is a name of the tea powder called as Lisbon. Tata tea we tell, no? Like similarly, we have a tea which is called as Lisbon. I am just giving a logic to remember. Lisbon. Lisbon की चा पीते पीते उसे एक चीज याद है, कपड़े खरीदना कर को. क्या खरीदना? कपड़े खरीदना कर को. कौन की उनके दोस्त बोले वास्को डा गामा के कपड़े अच्छे कलकत्ता में मिलती जाओ कर को बोले. लिस्बॉन की चा पीले को था, कपड़े लेने कहा आया उन्हें? कलकत्ता. दैट इज कैलिकट. He came to Calicut. क्या लेने बेटा आया सुने? कपड़े मीन्स कप्पाड़ो. कपड़े लेने कैलिकट को आया. आने के बाद फिर उसे कौन के बोले? समंदर के किनारे जो बहुत अच्छे कपड़े मिलती वहां के. कहाँ है बेटा समंदर? ईस्ट कोस्ट. ईस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. सिंपल. अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट? लिस्बॉन की चा पीले को था, कपड़े लेना कर को कैलिकट को आया. कौन के बोले? समंदर करने जो सस्ते में मिलती गए. देखे तो उन्हें कपड़े लेने आया, सुसेज मालूम नहीं कौन सा रूट से आ रहा बोलकर. आते 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 आको देखा तो कौन सी जगह थी? इंडिया. ओ मैं न्यू सी रूट ढूंढा लिया कर को बोल को खुश होगा. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? सी, to make the concept clear or to remember forever, you have to make such kind of a tricks to remember. See, Lisbon, he left Lisbon, he came to Calicut. In Calicut, where he came? Kappadu. Where is Kappadu? In the east coast of India. Simple. The concept is clear. So that he invented, but it's not the practical thing, just I gave you the logic to remember. Lisbon, Kappadu, Calicut, east coast of India, 1498. That's it. Understood, children? So now what happened? What happened, children? When he invented new sea to India, that was the fall of Constantinople. Are you getting, children? Did you understood? So this route continued to be the route of trade between India and Europe for many years. So all the sailors and traders were using which route? Sea route, not Ottoman Turks route. They broke Ottoman Turks route and they started using sea route. Understood? So that we say this, the Portuguese were thus the first to re-establish trade between India and Europe. Again, who re-established the business? Because of Ottoman Turk, complete business was fell down. पूरा business पूरा गिर गया था. Correct? बहुत से लोग काम भी छोड़ दिए थे, business भी छोड़ दिए थे. बाद में क्या हुआ? What happened later? Because of this new sea route, again all the people started doing business. Are you getting my point? Good. Now what are the questions we can expect from this paragraph? Make a note. Who captured Constantinople and in which year? Who captured Constantinople? Who captured Constantinople and in which year? Correct, no, children? Who captured Constantinople? Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople. Understood? Next, the question can be asked for you like this. Write the reason for the fall of Constantinople. Write the reason for the fall of Constantinople. So what is the reason for the fall of Constantinople? Because Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople and they started laying more tax on the goods which was passing through these routes. Understood, children? So that the Constantinople was fall down. Understood? Is this clear? Very good. And after that, one more question you can expect here, like who were the attempted to break the monopoly of Italian traders. Who were attempted to break the monopoly of Italian traders? Who attempted to break the monopoly of Italian traders? Spain and Portugal. Spain and Portugal. Next question. Who encouraged the sailors? Who encouraged the sailors to find a new sea route to India? Who encouraged the sailors to find a new sea route to India? Who encouraged the sailors to find the new sea route to India? Spain and Portugal. Spain and Portugal. Understood? Next, who found the new sea route to India? Who found the new sea route to India? Who found the new sea route to India? Vasco da Gama. Okay. Next, Vasco da Gama was a dash sailor. Portuguese sailor, Dutch sailor, French sailor, English sailor. Portuguese sailor. When, comma, where, and how Vasco da Gama discovered a new sea route to India. What is the question again? When, where and how? When? 1498. Where? Where? He left Lisbon and he reached to Capardo near Calicut in the east coast of India. How? How did he found new sea route to India? How did he found the new sea route to India? Through sea. Sea route, right? See, answer itself is there in sea route. Sea route is only the answer. Understood? Did he found the roadway? He found the sea route, seaway. Understood? He found the route to India how? Through sea. Through sea. Understood? Next, very important question. Very important question. That is, who were the first to re-establish trade between India and Europe? Who were the first to re-establish trade between India and Europe? Is this clear, children? I hope you have understood this concept. What was the fall of Constantinople? Yes or no? Yes, very good. So, children, we are going to stop this session here. In the next session, we start about the European trading companies who have came to India. Understood? What are the things they have done and what were the reasons for them to continue the business in India? Understood? In the next session, we are going to discuss about the European trading companies. Which are the companies came to India, how they did the business, again how they left the India. Are you getting my point? So these are the things we are going to discuss in the next session. I hope you all have understood this class. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well and do not miss any of the sessions. Understood? So we are giving the important questions also from each and every paragraph. What are the type of questions can be asked in the exam? We are highlighting that part. Are you getting, children? Good. So do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Evershine Coaching Groups, and comment how was this session after watching the complete videos. Right? Thank you, children.